make dumpling soup. Yesterday I make some fried dumpling. Today I make the soup version, handmade on my own. The ingredients: minced pork with cabbage. Fried the cabbage and then we'll actually start with the fried garlic and then put the cabbage. The cabbage must be cut into small pieces and stir fry it, and then leave it aside for at least 15 minutes for the cabbage to be dry, and then you mix it with the minced pork. The minced pork you need to marinate it with soy sauce, white pepper, and you mix the cabbage that you stir fry together, and then you wrap it up with the gyoza skin wrapper. I'm using the gyoza skin wrapper to make this soup dumpling. You can take a look at the fried gyoza dumpling video to see how I do it. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.